And I was like, one thing I wanted to check my shoes. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, I take no blog. I have to give myself socks.
Oh, yeah, I got some of that asparagus on the phone. Started now, and eating, a plate full of that. That'll get him back down.
Hey, Ron's over.
That blur, that's only lasted there for about a minute or two, and it just went away.
Yeah, I might. 113, you sound like a local Kentucky double nickel set.
Yeah, because it makes you think something wrong with your glasses.
113 to 38, a Blu-ray. Knocking again, baby.
Did they what?
I went to the eye doctor over mine there, and he checked for cataracts and everything there, and he said there wasn't nothing wrong with my eyes. He said it was my blood sugar.
Yeah, that's what it is, blood sugar. That's the same problem I got. You know, I eat something sweet or something like that. Must have made it go up there. But I got home back down here a little bit. I was about here. It was still out here 120 back down.
It's almost like you listen to it. Kentucky, Blu-ray steak.
This Washington still sounding okay?
Yeah, it ain't changed none.
I'm going to tell you, whatever that noise was a while ago, it was
about a 113 to 38, 38.
Knocking it completely out. I couldn't hardly hear him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Chris.
My way too, where you know, it
sounds like Skip trying to come in there.
Yeah, I hear a little bit of it. Well, back and see another thing too. I'm not too far from this rock quarry over here either. They might have had something running over there.
Up, get down, what you care, go uptown.
Oh, sure,
Birmingham, Alabama's reading the mail. Get here. I'm down here, so. Our little man ain't here.
Sounding good, 841 in the BAM, a 122 Main, trying to let you know.
Remember that 122?
Right back at you, 122. Hey, 122 up there in Maine, sounding some kind of good in my neighborhood this afternoon, partner, like you always do. Jesus, greetings from me and my dear. 122.
back at you. You and yours have yourself a good day better tomorrow and a safe and happy Christmas coming on up. 841, always good hearing you rolling through the corner. And Chickn Man over there in the Buckeye. I don't know what you got going on. You must have made a deal with that old Mother Nature, because, hey, you're rolling through loud and proud. Chickn Man, 122, State of Maine, trying to let you know.
Look at that pistol grip. Hey, 127 pistol grip up there around New York. We get that down to let you know I did get it all, partner. 127. Pistol grip, New York, 841, Birmingham, Alabama, with the wave is down. Look at 422 in West Virginia, 28, West Virginia, wave. How about that 122? How about that 122 out there, doorknob down in Music City looking?
Hey, Doorknob, Music City. Sounding good, sir? Absolutely are. Doorknob, 122 Main, waving.
7 pistol grip, 841. How about that 122, Main? 122, State of Maine, 289 Kentucky, Bluegrass State.
289 Kentucky. Yeah, you do it like that. We're going to spike the mic and wave right back down that old Bluegrass State, no doubt. 289, rolling through Maine, sounding real good, sir. 122, bumping it back.
Mighty 122. DX-Land, Kentucky 421, Ray Ray.
22, State of Maine.
Fuck it. Hey, 122, that Maine. DX-Land.
Waving right back at you, Chickn Man. Afternoon, week one, we hear you up there, absolutely do, sounding good. Hey, Chickn Man, I want to wave at you while we can. Want to let you know you're rolling through Maine in fine style. Chickn Man, 122, letting you know.
122, well done, easy. About DX-Land. Hello, 122, that Maine. Hey, 122. Virginia waving a hand.
Coming right back at you, Chickn Man. Sounding good, sir. I gotta tell you, it's been a month of Sundays. Chickn Man, it's been a month of Sundays since I've had you in my receive up here in the corner. Chickn Man, I'm glad you're rolling on through. Hope you and yours have yourself a safe and happy holiday season and a very merry Christmas. Coming on up. Chickn Man, always good hearing you. 122, State of Maine, back out this go around. 289 West Virginia. You're rolling through Maine, absolutely are. 289 sounding good out of West Virginia. 122 Maine, bumping it down, trying to wave. Yeah, definitely knocking on the door up here in Maine. I gotta tell you, sounding good, sir. 018, Tennessee, rolling through Maine loud and proud, no doubt. 122, we're trying to bump it back.
Hey, bro, 122, yeah, I got you in there real good, man. You and Pistol, you're battling there. Y'all are taking turns down here in Tennessee. Y'all are battling. It'll be Pistol for a minute, 122 for a minute, and Pistol for a minute. But I'm rolling the gate. You can watch it, man. 018, Beavers in Tennessee with holiday wave.
Well, that's when it's fun. That's when it's fun, 018. That's when it's fun, no doubt about it. Hey, 018, we're going to slide back out, let old Pistol Grip have it, no doubt. 122 Maine, hey, we're sliding back to the side.
Where you sliding back? Yeah, I heard Pistol Grip. I mean, 122 Maine and Pistol, I heard you too, but I got one more I got to get a hold of there. Steve, man, I'm ready to go. Hey, Trent, try 9, 018, Beavers with holiday wave. 14, Virginia, trying. Hey, Trent, try 9, I heard you come in there, man, but 148 got on your back, brother, so I'm going to have to talk to my radio. Hey, 148, man, good eater time to you. I hope you had a good turkey day, and hope you have a good holiday coming up, man. 018 Beavers with the wave. Oh, got a car. West Virginia is 66, I'm reading the mail. Oh, Bob. You're squirrel. 122, quit being so mean. 357 Tennessee, walking on through.
357, we're just on the driver. 357, we're just on the driver. 122, letting you know.
Ain't working out. I got my new bags here. I've got some more equipment coming, but we're about to get this video game stuff a little better, say where it's going to sound a little better when you listen to it. 148, happy Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, and Happy New Year, and all that good stuff, man. 018, Tennessee Beavers, back reading the mail. 6 West Virginia, Mendoza. Hey, 122, that driver's loud and proud, treetop tall, wall to wall. 122, 357 Tennessee, walking on through.
Hey, well, 357, we appreciate you letting me know this old baby driver is working. Absolutely, no doubt about it. Figure we'd try it on small watts, no doubt. 357 at Tennessee, sounding good, absolutely are. 122 Maine letting you know and sliding back out.
Yo, break out there. Riding away, walking on. Hey, we're just doing the best we can. Let's get it one time. Riding away, walking on. Hello, T9, 018 Beavers, holiday wave. 923 in the gray. Sit back here and listening again. 357 in the 10.
That'd be my 357. That'd be my 357. Roger. Bye-bye-bye.
Everybody thinks like that, buddy. Hey, 122, do me a favor. 122, tell my buddy 357 is 0187. Happy holidays, man. Tell 357 is 0187. Happy holidays. He's a pretty good old friend, man, but he's far enough away I can't talk to him.
357. 357, that'll 018 Beavis wants me to roll a 5. 018 Beavis wants me to roll a 5 and wish you a happy, safe, and holiday season coming on up. 122, a state of Maine, just letting you know.
Mr. 122, 122, Beavis, no, 122, Maine, 421, Kentucky, right. 357, walking on through.
And we'll roll that right back. We'll make that 5 a dime and let that 018 Beavis know that you're wishing it right back to him. No two ways about it. 018, he rolled it back. 122 back out.
Thank you very much, Mr. right out. I had somebody in there trying to say hello when 122 was on the key, man. It was a scrambled up mess, but I'm not sure who it was. But we'll get back here in the cut and listen in again. 357 with the holiday wave.
Hello, come back. Hello, come back. Double six.
Come on out ahead. I'm sitting here. I'll sit back and listen a minute. Let the gate roll.
Come back. Double six.
It's 140 around Connecticut. I think it was 140 around Connecticut. 7 Tennessee with the wave.
They could be to West Virginia time.